So we're here in Alpharetta. We've got a client with a brand new house, a beautiful home, and they're wanting us to make sure their basement is great usable space. So we're coming in to make sure they have no moisture issues, no dirty issues. We want to make sure we keep the dust down. We've come in, we've done the walls, we've got them sealed up with some great masonry sealer, and we were able to actually color match to match the color of the inside of their house. And now we're coming in to do the floors. We've already started prepping them with grind, and we're in the cleanup phase right now. So now we got everything prepped, we've got everything cleaned up, and our next step is to put down the moisture barrier. Now this moisture barrier holds back 25 PSI per 1,000 square feet. So you really got some good protection on the floor to keep any moisture that's seeping up from that concrete. You know, we live in Georgia, it's hot, it's humid. We want to protect our houses. Right, so we've let this moisture barrier cure for 24 hours. We're back now, we're going to put the top coat on. This top coat is not necessarily required, but we're going a little extra step for this basement because we want to make sure it's got good abrasion resistance and they have that really nice high gloss finish.
My basement is not a scary basement. I do not have any of that feeling whenever you walk around it. Classic Garage Solutions did an amazing job with the epoxy on my basement floors. It's shiny, it's clean, and most importantly, there's no moisture coming up.